I'm Susan. Today I am making a cinnamon muffin. It's a new recipe and it sounds really good. So I hope it will be good. I hope everybody's doing great today. And without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of salt. You'll need 1 cup of milk, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 large eggs.
I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And in a large bowl, you want to mix your flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, and baking powder. Now in another bowl, you want to mix your eggs, your milk, and your oil, and mix it up really well. Now you want to make a well in your dry ingredients and pour in your wet ingredients and mix it till it's just combined. You don't want to overmix, it'll make your muffins tough. Now you want to scoop your batter into your muffin tins. It said 18 on the original recipe, but I only got 12. So when I did my recipe, I wrote 12. But you want to either grease your muffin pan or use paper liners and just fill them up.
For the topping, you'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and just mix that together and sprinkle it over your muffins.
Now you want to bake these for 15 to 18 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. And here they are. They were really good, really moist, had such a wonderful flavor, and was great with a cup of coffee. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.